Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Dahua software on your PC or laptop and monitor your cameras anywhere in the world. And let's say you got 10 sites, you got a company with multiple branches around the world. You can use the software to monitor all those sites in one place. Okay, so we are going to start. The first thing you're going to have to do is to find the website of Dahua. You need to download this program they call Smart PSS. Okay, can be light or can be any, but it must be Smart PSS. Okay, so you go to Dahua website, you click support. Okay, you go to download, or you can just go to Google, look for, type download Smart PSS. Okay, so when you download it, we are going to install it. So when you download it, it come on a zip folder. You are going to extract it. Okay, extract all. Okay, and when you extract it, you open. Okay, so this is the set. This is the setup here. Going to install it. You click yes. I have read and agree. From here, you select your language. By default, I'm gonna leave English. Go next. Okay, so from here, you can choose the folder you want. I'm gonna add a desktop shortcut. Click install. Now the installation is done. We are going to run Smart PSS. You click finish. It's going to start. We got it here. Okay. From here, they say please select the application channel. If you want to do only CCTV, you can choose CCTV. If you want to do access control, time attendance, video intercom, you can select whatever you want, or you can select all of them if you want, and then you click OK. I have read, I agree, you click here, click agree and continue. I have read and agree and continue. So from here, they're going to ask you to enter a password, a default password. Auto login after registration. This is very important. You don't have to enter your username and password anytime. You go next. I'm gonna ask you those questions. You must answer them. Okay, you cannot do finish until you answer favorite book. Okay, question number 2, the first boss. It's your favorite fruits. I'm gonna click finish. And now the app is going to open for the first time. Now, as you can see right now, the app have done. We got CCTV, access control, attendance, video intercom. So we are going to device. From here, we are going to add our first device. You can do auto shares. Okay. What does this one does is gonna look for any DVR or NVR that is on your network, but I don't have any NVR on this network. So I'm doing it remotely. So what we can do here is to come to add, and you can give a name here of your device. I can say Office 1. Method to add, I'm gonna choose serial number, okay? And from here, I'm going to type my serial number. This must be confidential. Don't ever share your serial number or password, okay? I'm gonna copy it, paste it here. Of course, I'm going to blur it. I'm going to enter my username. And, and I'm gonna add my password. Okay, you click here, add and continue. You can add another one. So as you can see right now, it says offline. It should go online if that TVR is on the internet. As you can see here, right now, it's online. Okay, this means this TVR is connected to the internet. Okay, it's so the serial number of the DVR here. Okay, it show the model. It should show the IP, but because we choose a serial number, that is why it's showing the serial number. Okay, if you want to add another DVR, you do the same thing. Okay, you come here, you can say Office 2. Okay, you enter the serial number, you enter the password, username first, and then password. Click add and continue. It's also going online. Right now it's offline. As you can see, it's online. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so now we are going to home, and then we click live view, and those are our cameras. Okay, you click Office 1. As you can see here, the cameras have been open. Okay, but I've decided to blur them. Okay, if you wanna see the original, you just click full screen. So it's gonna show those cameras in full screen. Okay, from here you can go to 16. If you want to change, you can do it from here. As you can see, it's showing all the cameras. Okay, so this Office 1. If you want to do Office 2, you do the same thing. Okay, very simple. All right, so this is how you install your Dahua system on your PC or laptop. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.